Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, magluluto kita guys ang UFC Canton Noodles with sardines together with Chef Chris. Chris, anong diskarte natin sa pagluluto? Ayan, ginigisa na ni Chef Chris yung onion at saka garlic and then with tomato. Yan lang guys, yan ang sekreto, walang madaming ingredients dyan. Yung sekreto niya lang yung sa pagluluto is yung pagmamahal. Dapat, you are cooking with love, you know?
Pagkain ng mga mahihirap.
Siyempre masarap.
Masarap. May pagmamahal.
Ayan na
Dahil
guys.
nagkasawang naman din sa masarap. Dito naman kayo sa masarap.
Masarap.
That's
Yes.
right!
Totoo yan guys. Itong sekreto, 555. Yes, yes. Wow. With onion leaves, ha? Very special this one. Too much good cooker this one. Only long now? You will chop it also. Oh, this. Yes, yes, yes.
Spicy.
And then,
Spicy.
normal only. Oh, too much good, ha? Combination?
Combination of love.
Combination.
Merong mainit na pagmamahal.
Yes.
Meron ding maligam-gam na pagmamahal.
Yes. Pambansang isda. Pambansang isda, guys. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
Stay.
Wow, kunting paminta. Black pepper, guys. Then, oh, a pinch of, what's that ang sauce? Oh, ayun ay sauce, good ha? Oh, good technique to. Puting salta. Oh, yung magic na ma'am. Too much good ha? Too much good technique ha? Reduction ha? And then, after that, oh, normal, 555 sardines. And then after that, spicy, 555 sardines. Depends on you guys if how you will put the 555 sardines. You can put together guys. Or you can put individual. One by one. Yes, too much good. Okay. You need to smash guys.
Dapat dunutin.
Smash, okay. Too much
Walang
good.
dunot doon. Natula yun.
Yes. yes.
Para ano yung ano ng isda.
Yes.
May pagmamahal ba?
Yes. The taste of the fish going to the sauce.
Na may
Yes.
pagmamahal.
Wow. After that now.
Ito ka.
You put the...
Pinainit natin na. Pinakulog natin na.
Ito nang. I will give to you. I will give to you
Yung
nung.
black coffee.
Because after this one. After this one.
Lagyan natin ng
We are vlogging go, yes.
Init na tubig.
Yes. After that guys, now you see the procedure. After that, you will put hot water. Wow, too much good ha?
Magmala pa mo na.
Yes.
Pagpunta mo na after banana.
Yes. The pancit canton will save the
Mahal man din sa katan.
water guys.
Ako yung last time. Pag 20 na ko na kami, 20 pala. Hindi ko no, 10 real ko niya eh.
So, you are about to put the canton? Wow. You will put the canton guys. Too much good. Too much good this one oh. Wow. Oh, very delicious. Oh, too much good, huh? Now you see guys the procedure and how to put the canton.
guys, kung may patula guys.
Yes, patula is very good.
Dahil sa vlogger rin, kaya hindi tayo makabili. Kung ano lang yung ingredients dito na available, ayun, kalas.
Guys, damage. Damage.
Yung sikreto, alam nyo kung ano?
Illness sa illness to.
Alam nyo kung ano ang sikreto? Dito, sa lata.
Ito, sa lata, yes.
Yun.
Yes.
Dapat simutin
Ah,
natin
okay.
kung ano ng mga Pilipinos, hindi siya
Ah, okay. They will do that also. Aywa. How do you know?
Walang mabibilin ba?
How do you know ba?
Oo. Nahirapan ko.
Yes. Wow. You add also the magic. Ah, okay ah.
Ano magic?
Wow. Wow, you add also pepper.
Kape-kape.
Cover guys, after that guys, cover. And then,
15 minutes kape.
yes. Maybe too much 15 minutes, no? Maybe 10 minutes, yes, okay.
Basta nakamatao nila.
Yes, okay.
A few minutes
So,
later.
ito na guys, ayan na. After 10 minutes guys, ayan na siya. Ayan na siya.
Okay na?
Oh, sibuyas down. Oh, too much good ah. Oh, too much good ah. Oh, very delicious guys. Even though that this one is only normal recipe, canton only, and 555 sardines, the pambansang isda. Even though guys that it's only normal ingredients, but this is, I say to you, I tell you, too much very delicious this one. Filipino food. Yes. Yung mga
pangalan mo, hindi lang ang asawa mo.
Yes.
Kahit kung di patamo asawa mo,
Yes.
hindi ka na magtuloy sa Pilipinas.
Yan, alam mo yan kalimutan mo si
Kalimutan mo lang pangalan mo, pero wag ang asawa mo.
Yan.
Kaya kalimutan mo asawa mo, hindi ka na magtuloy sa Pilipinas.
batian mo to. Nang, Michelle. Wala man nung press lang ah. Oh, too much good one. Guys. Tatapusin na natin ang video ito. Hanggang dito na lang tayo guys. Mga mahihirap lamang ang pupuso nito, ang pagkain nito. Makaka-relate nito. Maraming salamat, Kit. Thank you so much. Good day yan. God bless everyone.